Are you feeling down? Do you really wish you could go outside? Does COVID-19 have you depressed because there's nothing to do? Well, at Shepard Manufacturing, we have the answer for you. The DIY Face Mask 2000. So here at Shepard Manufacturing, we have the DIY 2000 face mask, straight from World War II. As long as you have this mask on properly, you can go out in any COVID-19 situation.
Face mask, so that way you can breathe. It sounds a little bit like Darth Vader, but hey, you know what? You win some, you lose some.
In any COVID-19 situation. Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
Well, that's my DIY 2000. Why are you stealing my mask?
I'm not stealing it. I'm just borrowing it.
Well, you can't have it. It's a prototype.
But I have lots of doctor's appointments to go to. I'm with child. I need protection.
Can you believe this? Pregnant girl? Do you think you get everything you want when you're pregnant?
No, obviously. That's why I'm trying to get something I need.
Since it's my baby, I think you can have it. Alright, it's all yours. Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Now me and my baby will be safe.
Yay! Alright, come on, say that. Wait a second. Please, thank you. Thank you for watching our video. This is the Shepard reflector setup. We use the car headlights. We use this homemade reflector. And, of course, the sunlight. What I used here was this light shining at me or my wife on the couch, and then of course the available window light to light the